Hi guys, me and Rolo thought we'd read you a bedtime story. So go upstairs, get your pyjamas on, brush your teeth, jump into bed. And this I dedicate to all you little ones and my 3 grandchildren, Kaya, Cruz and Levi, who I miss so much. I hope you're in bed as well. Right. The bear snores on. In a cave in the deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sounds growls, but the bear snores on. An itty bitty mouse, pitty patter, toad, tups, creps, crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The cold pit pops and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. 2 glowing eyes sneak peep in the den. Mouse cries, who's there? And the hare hops in. Ho mouse, says hare, long time no see. So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, hare burps, big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff, snuff at the air. I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share. I've brought honey nuts, badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cosy down and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole turn up through the floor. Then a wren, then a raven fluttered in through the door. Mole mutters, what a night, what a storm, twitter wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chant and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare strokes the fire, mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. He blows and he sneezes, the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear growls, he snarls, bear roars, and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've sneaked into my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I've had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't force luck. See, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear glups, bear grumbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins his tail through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up and a crisp clear dawn, bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. That was a lovely story. Right guys, I hope you're all snugged up in bed. Time to close your eyes and go to sleep.